What's going on, guys? Let me see if I can just jump in this contract real quick. Let's see. Let's place that order. One contract. Okay. I'm in the GSB US dollar, and I am in the contract to be below this line here. Let me see. 3111. Alright, so the 1.31110, that yellow line, is where I need to be below. So let me see. I wanted to let you guys know this is NADEX has had a new platform. They changed it a while back, and then I didn't want to transfer over to the new platform. I quite frankly didn't, I wasn't fond of it, but I've been trying it recently, and I decided to change my software up to record on the new platform. So this is it, guys. Here you have it. I think this is a little bit better layout. I did my best so that you guys could actually see everything blown up. You can see everything kind of in detail. So I'm starting to like it. I like it to be able to explain it to you guys better. So I hope you guys enjoy it. So from now on, this is the way my videos are gonna be. So let's see how it goes with this stuff here. So right now we still got, what is it, 2 minutes and 43 seconds. I'm in profit right now, $30 profit. I could scalp out now, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be well below that yellow line, as you see there. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to comment below, subscribe or follow me, like my channel. If you guys don't like this setup, let me know what I could change to kind of help you guys understand it a little bit better. I did my best to lay it out in a form that falls easy to the eyes, basically. So alright, guys, I'm gonna pause this. Well, I'm gonna mute myself for a little bit and try to see how this trade goes. Alright, guys, we get down to our last 8 seconds, and it shows the indicative 31105. So there we go, it expired, and I believe I made about $40 on this trade. On my balance it shows 141.50. So I mean, $40 in 5 minutes. As you can see, that candle's well below that yellow line. So I think this is a good trade here. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching guys. If you want to trade like me, visit my website, My Trading Mindset, and join any one of my memberships and you'll be able to trade like me or use my indicators. So alright guys, well, I'll see you there. Have a good one.